As we draw the curtain close to this our wedding planning series, today's video I'll be listing 7 take-home lessons. Number 1 point is know what you want. Don't allow people impose what they want on you. You need to know what you want. Stand firm with what you want. Don't be easily influenced, because to be honest, you're going to have 1001 advices, but you need to prioritize you and know what you want. Number 2 lesson is you need to leverage on friendship. You can't do it by yourself. You need your friends at this point in time. That's why it's necessary to build quality friendship with people and leverage on it. Shout out to all my friends that showed up for me while I was planning my wedding. And also, friends, be nice to your brides to be and grooms to be. Please just ask them, how is the preparation going? How are you doing? Because it's not going to be easy. The pressure is a lot while you are planning your wedding. You just showing how concerned you are goes a long way. When people do that to me, I feel so loved. I feel very relieved, because I'm like, oh, somebody actually recognized that it's not really easy. So the third point, you need to be firm with your vendors. You need to be specific in what you want. Tell them what you want. Don't allow them impose what they want for you. It's not their wedding, it's your wedding. So be specific with what you want them to do for you, because some vendors, they will use your head. So you need to take charge. You need to take control. If possible, assign people to monitor every vendor. Very important. So to the fourth point, you need to give your tailor or your fashion designer your outfit as early as possible. Your clothes has to be ready like 1 month to your wedding. Very important. And also, as the day of your wedding draws closer, you need to also fit your wedding dress to ensure that it's actually in shape, because you can lose weight in the process or add weight in the process. Number 6 is please rest. You need to rest. I can't overemphasize that, but you need to rest. Take time to rest. There is going to be a lot of pressure, so you need to rest as much as possible before the D-Day. Rest as much as possible. If you're a working class, please take leave. Ensure you are rested, you are rejuvenated. This is very necessary, because the wedding day itself can be stressful. So you need to rest just to gain all your strength back as the day draws closer. And lastly, and very important point, is you need to be prayerful. As your wedding day, from the day you pick the day of your wedding, you need to be very prayerful. As the day draws closer in your plannings, you need to be very prayerful, because the devil is not happy with this institution called marriage, and he will try as much as possible to bring disruption, to bring confusion. So you need to be prayerful. Pray for the event, pray for yourselves for protection. You need to be very careful and prayerful. I can't overemphasize this. While you're planning, the devil is going to test you, the devil is going to try you. But when you are fortified in the place of prayer, everything is going to go smoothly. So that will be all on this series. Did you enjoy the series? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any other question, anything you want me to talk about, you can also drop in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone that showed interest, for everyone that suggested and actually encouraged me to do the series. Thank you very much. And at this point, I'll say, do have a blessed and blissful wedding, and most importantly, a blissful, peaceful, godly marriage. Thank you once again, and bye.